Happy holidays! Yes, the holidays are right around the corner. There'll be crowds of people out there grocery shopping for Thanksgiving, which is less than 2 weeks, Christmas shopping, and of course, all the fun parties. These can be fun times, but also stressful times trying to multitask. So let's try to be careful out there and not text while driving. Be careful at four-way stops and extremely careful when the roads might be wet. You never know, that rain could change to some ice. You would not want these times of joy with family to turn to disaster if you're in an accident. You know, you buy the best presents for your loved ones, right? Why wouldn't you want the best lawyer if you ever found yourself in a position needing help? The law offices of Henry Handflick are there for you and will give you a free case evaluation while offering a no-fee promise. If they don't collect, you don't owe. I hope you never find yourself trying to recover lost wages or faced with huge medical bills from a serious injury. But if you or anyone you know are faced with these difficult decisions, choose a local, compassionate, and caring man, Henry Handflick. This family man is experienced, honest, and trustworthy. Call 810-720-4000 or visit them online at handflicklaw.com. Tell them Stephanie K sent you because she knows they'll treat you right.